Hi, my name is Danielle and this is CosmoThompsonPro. Welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be coloring and installing a 613 wig from the brand Monstar Hair. And this is technically not a promotion for my YouTube. This hair is being promoted on my TikTok, but not over here. This one is silent. So this is the wig out of the package, and it's a 13 by 4, but it's not like a 13 by 4 all the way. They cut it out into like a little 4 by 4 right here. And this is the length of the wig. I did go ahead and measure it with my measuring tape, and it is approximately 30 inches, probably 32. Yeah. So the color that I'm using today, well, the colors that I'm using today is by the brand Adore. And Adore, if you ever see me in these videos one day, hook a girl up. But these are the shades that I am using today. My main color for today is going to be African Violet, and that is going to be my root color. And I came across a video with a girl using Violet Gem, and it came out so nice. It was like a hot magenta. I loved it. And then for my accent color, it is going to be the Periwinkle. Now, what I usually do is I dilute the dyes with white conditioner, but today I'm just gonna put the dye on in their natural form. I'm gonna start by washing the wig because it's a little funky, and then I am gonna go from there. Hi lovies, I'm back and it is the next morning basically. So I have washed the wig and I put the wig on my mannequin head, and you can see the wig in all her glory. She is quite wet. All right, so basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tweeze her, and these are the tweezers that I am using. These are my backup tweezers, and it is just a pair of Diane tweezers from the hair store, and my wide tooth comb. Yes, she is shedding. It is 613 hair. It is what it is. I'm gonna pluck her just a little bit, and yeah, watch me do that. All right, so I've run into a dilemma. So while I was plucking the wig, you can tell that it's kind of plucked, but I didn't go like too crazy because I only wanted just a little bit of the hairline thinned out. You can see it. There you go. I made a big giant dirty hole through the lace. So I'm gonna go in with my handy dandy light yellow thread and some household needles, and I'm gonna do a little bit of patchwork. Now I'm doing yellow because I can change it into any color that I want, so it doesn't really matter to me. I would do white, but I think the yellow would be a lot better as a base for when I'm putting on makeup and stuff, so it doesn't look too shabby. So yeah, I'm gonna stitch that up, and then we can get into the coloring portion of the video. Okay, so I have the wig here, and I part out the front section, and I only left out the back. So this is the back of the wig, and I've split it into two because we're gonna start doing the root color on the hair. And for the root color, we're gonna be doing African Violet. So I'm just gonna go in, cover all the roots, and then we're gonna go in to do highlights and slices with the Violet Gem and the Periwinkle. So all of this is gonna be sped up. I have on my hair dyeing shirt, my gloves, and yeah, let's get started. All right, so this is the wig washed and straightened, and this is the color. Guys, it is gorgeous. Can you see that? But guys, look at that. That is gorgeous. It's shiny. The colors are blending well together. So all I basically did was I gave her some layers in the front, some very soft layers, and that's what the color is looking like. Alrighty guys, and I am back, and this is the install portion of the wig. So I've already showed you what it looked like, so I'm going to give you a front view of the wig. So this is the wig from the front. It looks so good, like it looks so freaking good. I molded my hair back, and yeah, we're just about to get started. You guys know how to put on a wig, I hope so. So I'm just gonna speed through it. Let me know if you want an in-depth like tutorial of how to put on a wig, and I'll show you how I do it, because I'm not as, you know, fancy as the girls them that, you know, what's the word, that specialize in the lace, but I can do a little something, you know. So let me know if you want a video of how I do my lace, and I'll go ahead and do that for you. Alrighty, so this is the wig installed. Let me show you the edges. All right, so I have edges going on, and my hair just feels so fun. I added some color in the part, and yeah, this is the hair. You can't really see the layers right now, but I am going to curl my hair. But before I do that, I'm just showing you what it looks like. It looks really, really good, guys. Oh my gosh. It's giving scalpiana, okay? It's giving scalp. Y'all see my periwinkle money piece in the front? Yeah. So that is what my hair looks like. I'm gonna dry it down a little bit more. I only use edge control and mousse for my edges, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. I don't want them too hard. And yeah, I'm gonna curl my hair, and then I'm gonna head on to my makeup. Alrighty, and here I am with the finished product. So this is my hair. It looks fabulous. And here are my edges. Yes, ma'am. Hairline is giving, edges are giving, and my hair just looks good, man. I love it. All right. Here's my makeup. I did something very quick and very simple. And yeah, that is my hair and my makeup. The hair is all right. The way I did my hair, she's a 12 on a scale of 10, okay? She is the moment, okay? Ooh, ooh, ah. Like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy. Until next time, bye, babies.